Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use sync tables in Airtable for a one-way table sync. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to airtable.com. Over here. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner and log in with your credentials. After that, you'll be directed to your Airtable homepage. Then click on the table you want to sync. Over here, click on the share button and then select sync data to another base. Then enable syncing for this view by turning on the toggle and click sync this view. After that, select the workspace where you'd like your data to sync. Then click choose a base table and pick the table you want to sync your data to. Finally, click create table. Your sync table is now live and will update automatically whenever changes are made in the original table. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.